Climb higher, cruise farther. This aircraft is truly incredible. This 1969 Cessna T310Q is built for serious travel. Twin engine power, 180-gallon long-range tanks, seating for 6, and built-in oxygen for high-altitude performance. With live NexRad weather via GNS 430, you'll stay ahead of the storm and on course. Well-maintained, corrosion-free, and ready to fly. Located in Texas and now up for auction, don't miss this opportunity. Imagine all the places you could fly to in this. If you had the opportunity to acquire this aircraft, where would you go? Inquire now on AvPay.